All right, thanks so much. Did you know today is National English Muffin Day? So how about adding some gourmet butter to your English muffin or your toast or whatever you're having this morning? So to show us how to make some good gourmet butter, we have the Food Hussy Heather Johnson here to show us how to make it. I came over and I said, how do you make this? She's like, I got it covered.
It's so easy. And I just want to say that coat last time, I mean, I was going to wear that same outfit today.
The expensive coat?
Yeah, I mean, little sparklies and yeah, I was going to wear that, but then I didn't want to outshine you.
I get it. No,
all right, so National English Muffin Day. It's so easy to make gourmet butter. We're going to actually have you make it today. Okay. It's super easy, but what I did, all you do is it takes about 5 minutes. You put a couple things in softened butter, and then you've got it. So we'll get started with, this is blue cheese, sage, and bacon
that sounds
butter.
Good.
So we've got the softened butter already, and so you can stir, and I'm going to add in, I cut up some turkey bacon. I decided to be a little healthier today since I'm throwing butter in there, and then fresh sage.
Okay.
And just stir that together. Literally this takes, we're going to add a little bit of honey in.
So you're making it a little sweet.
Yeah. And then we're going to toss in the blue cheese for that spunky flavor.
Okay.
And that's all there is to it. Literally all you do from there is you stir that up really well, and then you'll put it on plastic wrap.
So why do we buy this?
I have no idea.
It's easy.
It's silly. I made some other great ones too. So all you do is after that's all mixed up, you lay it on plastic wrap, and then you kind of roll the plastic wrap around it so it kind of makes it a log, and then you put it in the fridge for a couple of hours to solidify back up.
So that's the finished product?
Yes, this is what we have. I made half recipes, so the recipes online on my site, thefoodhussy.com, they have 2 sticks of butter. I just cut everything in half and made with 1 because I don't need that much. And so we have a mojito. I feel I like to say it, mojito.
What do you mean? How do you do this?
The mojito one has lime juice, lime zest, and then mint and salt.
I can try it?
Yeah. So it's got lime juice, just 1 small lime, a little bit of lime juice, lime zest, some fresh mint, and like that chunky coarse salt, because then you can really taste it in there.
I love it.
It makes it so much better. And then we've also got an everything bagel butter.
I love that.
So this one you can actually, it tells you exactly the ingredients to use for the seeds, but there's also like an everything bagel seasoning you can buy that I just did that and cheated. So that was just butter and the seasoning, and we were done.
I love that.
And the mojito one is supposed to be really good on blueberry bagels, which I also, Thomas's English Muffins has so many great varieties. They've got blueberry and cinnamon raisin. They even have a banana bread right now.
So you have recipes like this, hacks, tips and tricks.
Yes.
All on your blog, right? Yep. How can folks check it out?
You can find me, here's the everything bagel, try that one, it's really good. You can find me at thefoodhussy.com, and I'm everywhere on social media at Food Hussy. Everything bagel is popular. I know, I like the mojito one, because I like the salt.
Okay, we're gonna put all the details about how you can make this on our website at FOX19now.com. This is my favorite. This is really good. We'll be back after this.